Garage, I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the Tach filter for your tachometer out of a Pontiac Fiero GT. Let's get started. This is the Tach filter right here. It's held on by one 15mm bolt underneath that we'll have to take off in order to remove it. Now, to gain access, you're going to have to remove the ignition coil and the shield, which is normally right here. If you need assistance on how to remove that, please check out my video via the link shown above, and that'll show you how to do that. And then now we can come in here and we can remove that bolt so we can remove this filter from this vehicle. Okay, and then now you can pretty much undo it by hand right here. And then now you can just slide the filter out. All you have to do is loosen the bolt enough so that way you can slide it out. So now we can pull that out. With the filter now unhooked, next you're going to want to go ahead and unplug it here from the harness. So go ahead and just gently pull that up. And then you can detach that. And now we've gone ahead and removed it so we can test it and see if it needs to be replaced or not. Here's the Tach filter here up close. It's pretty basic component. Pretty much what you have is you have the signal coming through. It's running through some resistors and capacitor and coming out the other end and continuing the signal. So that's it right there. Now, just to give a little overview as far as what the Tach filter does, basically what it does is it takes the signal coming through from the ignition control module, it cleans it up and removes any kind of noise, as you may call it, that may be causing the signal to get any kind of interference. So it cleans that up. So as you're looking at your RPMs, you're not getting this erratic moving back and forth. It's a nice, solid, and sound reading that you're getting on your display. I've heard mixed feedback from different mechanics and different people working on their cars as far as some people, when they go bad, they just remove them, they bypass them, other people replace them. Personally, my opinion, if you've got a part that goes bad, replace it with the actual part. It's there for a reason. But then again, it's up to you what you decide to do with that. All right, well, that pretty much wraps up this video on how to remove the Tach filter from a Pontiac Fiero GT. At this point, if you were going to be replacing it, you would just follow the same directions to put the new one in, which would basically be just plugging in the harness back into the connection on there, and then reattaching the 15mm bolt onto this little bracket piece here to hold it back in place, and that would be it, and put everything back. But in this case, that's not what we're doing. We're running some additional tests, so this is going to be the end of this video for now. Please send any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all of the support. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you next time.